What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we're at Overland Expo West out here in Flagstaff, and we're gonna go check out some cool stuff, stop by a bunch of booths and say what up, and I'll show you guys what I get. Hopefully I don't spend a lot of money, but it'll be a fun time. So let's get into today's video. We're gonna have a fun time out here in Expo. Yeah. Oh, look, the Expedition one. That's pretty sick. There's the AT4X. It has the rear tire carrier bumper. You want to check it out, dude? Yeah. This one would fit our trucks. So, you like these wheels? Yeah. On the Jeep? I like it. Yeah, like Alaska and shit? Yeah. I like those wheels. That's the spare tire I got from DV8. Is that wheel. Oh, really? It was positive 25 offset. Oh, wow. So like terrible. One side was just sucked in all the way. What'd you get? Own the night sticker. Hell yeah. I'll take the sticker. Jeep stuff, you know, Jeep people. Yeah. I like this one. This one's sick. That's sick. Yeah.
I like this one too.
That one's cool.
Kind of ABS.
Okay. I like it. Very sick. Yo, I met these dudes. Met them in Colorado. They were at a booth right across from us. Oh yeah? He's from
Noah. I know, we were over there.
You saw it? Blew it around? That machine, dude. Yeah. Some good quality. Hold on, let me see that again.
Oh, you
see that?
Oh. They're saying they got here Wednesday.
Ooh. Oh yeah. You should, instead of the Alibaba camper, you should have bought a van.
Oh, it's $3 grand versus 30.
It's pretty sick though, I have to say. You guys need to hop in it.
Huh?
Hop in it, you're about to get one.
No, that's not my truck.
You should ask him. Hop in. I'll take it. That's what that's for, dude. That's what that thing's for.
You see this, love?
What do you think? I like the paper towel holder. That's cool. No. I like the ones in the center, bottom center. That could be Noe and his Raptor, my buddy from California. Come on, bud. Come on, guys. Sick.
Yeah.
Are you filming me? Alright guys, we got done with Expo today, and honestly, there was really nothing that cool besides a bunch of fucking Toyotas. And I saw a bunch of you fans out there, and it was pretty nice to meet you guys, and I probably drank too many beers over here at the Cinders, and we're just kind of hanging out. And we're not going to go back tomorrow because, I don't know, this year's a little different, but we're just kind of hanging out here around the campfire. And the wind died down surprisingly right now. I don't know how, but it did. And we're just drinking, having fun, and I'll probably talk to you guys tomorrow. All right, check out this view we got here. It's oh, someone's coming up the mountain right now, and that's Flagstaff snowboarding mountain. What is it called again? Snowball. That's Snowball. So right now we're kind of, it's Snowball. What do you mean?
The mountain is called something else.
Oh, I don't know. But we're camping on this nice lava rock. And Corbin over here in his Jeep TJ ripped it up the fucking mountain with the trailer. It's pretty sick little build. And we're just kind of hanging around the campfire. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow morning.
A little pump for the thing. So now I like just rigged it up like through my tire hose, hooked it up to that, and now we're just kind of like putting it onto the.
Man.
Yeah.
The mattress? Fuck.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Rigged up with it.
Can't tell.
What am I doing?
I reminded you.
His first solution when we got here was, babe, blow it up by your mouth.
I would probably pass out.
This was my idea. I'm like, you have an air compressor.
Oh, dude. What's going on, guys? Good morning. Sorry for my little drunk talk last night. Little rant, you know, about them Toyotas, those Land Cruisers out at Overland Expo. It was kind of boring, but it was fun out after today, hanging out with some friends and everything. Corbin already left. He has a long drive back to Las Vegas tomorrow, and it was nice meeting up with him. He was at the United by Bronco trip video that I had on my channel. I'll throw it up here somewhere, but we're out here in the Cinders. It rained like crazy last night. It was windy. We got sunburnt, and it was a fun time, I would have to say. But right now we're gonna pop the tent down and we're gonna start ripping around these dunes, testing out these new these Firestone Destination tires, and it's gonna be a fun day. So let's throw down the tent in the wind and start ripping around this volcanic rock. What the fuck? Need a ride? Hop in, cutie. Hop in.
Thank God for the dew wipes.
Thank God for the dew wipes?
Yeah.
But they gotta be dried out just a little bit, because not gonna lie, the dew wipes are a little too moist sometimes on the butthole. All right, that's about it for this Overland Expo video. It was a fun time hanging out with some old friends, and I'm really pissed off about the smart cap. The latches keep coming undone, and kind of had to bungee it and make it work, but they have pretty good customer service, so hopefully they fix this issue, because I couldn't do anything without the door popping up. As you saw in those videos, it was kind of a bummer. But yeah, overall, Overland Expo was just a bunch full of Land Cruisers, Lexuses, Toyotas, and all a bunch of those pile of turds, but it was fun walking around, hanging out with people. But we're gonna go head up to get some breakfast or something, and I gotta go to the bathroom, and we're gonna head out to go get some breakfast, and I'll talk to you guys next week. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down in the comments what type of videos you guys want, any more build videos and whatnot. But I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate my 2 members. You guys are awesome. Throw you guys' names up here. Appreciate it. Take it easy. Love you. Bye.